Hey there, fellow pet lovers. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how a garden can transform not just your backyard but your whole life? Well, today, I'm stepping into the garden as a curious, bouncy Rottweiler puppy to show you how both you and your furry friend can benefit from a healthy, thriving garden. First of all, let's talk about my absolute favorite thing, playtime. A healthy garden is like a giant playground for puppies like me. I get to sniff around, chase butterflies, and zoom through the grass. It's not just fun. Running around in the garden keeps me fit and helps burn off all that puppy energy. And trust me, a tired puppy is a happy puppy. But it's not just about me having a blast. When I'm busy exploring the garden, you get a little break too. A safe, enclosed garden means you can watch me play while enjoying some peace and quiet. Maybe with a cup of coffee or your favorite book. That's a win-win, right? Now let's talk about the garden itself. Did you know that having a puppy can make your garden healthier? That's right. When I dig little holes, okay, I know sometimes it's not where you want them, I'm actually helping aerate the soil. This lets water and nutrients reach the roots of your plants. Plus, when I run around, my paws press seeds and soil together, helping new plants grow. Who knew puppies could be little gardeners too? There's more gardens are amazing for your health as well. All that time we spend together outside means you're getting fresh air, sunlight, and a break from screens. Studies show that being in nature can boost your mood and lower stress. And when you throw that ball for me or teach me new tricks, you're getting in some exercise too. See, we both get healthier together. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Make sure your garden is safe for me. No toxic plants, sharp tools, or open gates. And always supervise, especially when I'm still a puppy and very, very curious about everything. So, why does your garden need a Rottweiler puppy? Because together, we make the garden a place full of life, laughter, and love. If you want a space that brings joy to both you and your best furry friend, start with a healthy garden. And maybe, just maybe, a playful pup like me. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like this adventure, hit that like button and subscribe for more puppy-powered fun. Catch you next time in the garden.